Hello everyone, today let's introduce MKE VL-200B high-speed benchtop centrifuge for you. It features a large color touchscreen displaying all parameters, making it simple to operate. To adjust settings, press the settings key lightly. When the parameter background turns blue, use the up and down arrow keys to increase or decrease values. The centrifuge time can be adjusted in both minutes and seconds, with 10 speed options for acceleration and deceleration. The smaller the number, the faster the speed change. Below are the start, stop, and door open keys. Multiple capacity options are available, with both high-speed angle rotors and low-speed horizontal rotors, making it widely applicable, and an ideal choice for medical, food, environmental, and scientific research fields. Currently, the centrifuge is equipped with a no-to-angle rotor with a capacity of 12 by 5 milliliters. Before centrifugation, sample tubes should be placed symmetrically in the rotor to balance. When there are very few sample tubes, fill other tubes with an equal amount of water for balance. To ensure optimal centrifugation results, to remove the angle rotor, insert a 6 mm wrench into the rotor's center hole and turn counterclockwise to loosen the lock nut. Then lift the rotor vertically along the bearing. To install the rotor, place it vertically along the bearing. Insert an 8 mm wrench into the rotor's center hole, and tighten the lock nut by turning clockwise. Then, place the adapter into the square cups.